Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to crochet the Pointed Petal Flower. For this pattern, you're going to need to know how to single crochet and double crochet. If you need help with that, you can check down in the description below for my videos on how to do those stitches. To start off, you're going to chain 4. This chain 4 counts as our first double crochet and chain 1. And then you'll be doing a repeat of a double crochet in the very last stitch and a chain 1. And that'll be repeated 9 times. So here we are, just finishing off our double crochet chain 1. We're going to join with a slip stitch into that chain 4 space from the beginning. So for round 2, you're going to start off by chaining 3. This counts as your first double crochet. Then in that chain 1 space right there, we are going to work 3 double crochets, and then we are going to chain 1. Then you are going to work 1 double crochet in the next chain 1 space and chain 1. So the repeat for this is going to be working 4 double crochets in the next chain 1 space, followed by chaining 1. Then working a double crochet in the next chain 1 space and chaining 1. This is repeated 4 times, and then you will end up joining everything with a slip stitch at the end. So here we are, just finishing off round 2. And a chain 1 and join with a slip stitch. So now for round 3, we are going to start off by chaining 5. And we are going to start right into the repeat. We're going to locate that chain 1 space. We are going to work a single crochet, followed by chaining 3, working another single crochet in that next chain 1 space, then chaining 5. And you will repeat this 4 times. So here we are at the end, and we're just joining with a slip stitch. So round 4 is the last round for this project. You're going to start off by chaining 3. That counts as a double crochet. Then in that chain 5 space, you're going to work 4 double crochets, followed by chaining 3 and working 5 more double crochets in that same chain 5 space. Then the repeat for this pattern is going to be single crocheting in that chain 3 space. Once I finish that section. All right, so your repeat is going to be starting with a single crochet in the chain 3 space. Then you're going to work 5 double crochets, then chain 3 and 5 more double crochets, all within the same chain 5 space. This is repeated 5 times, and then you will join your project with a slip stitch. So here we are, just finishing off on our project with our last double crochet. Then we're going to single crochet in that chain 3 space and join with a slip stitch. And there you have it. That is how you do the Pointed Petal Flower. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a like, and I really do hope that you have a happy crochet day.